I'm trying this coffee, Old Town.
Pwede ako magbili ng entire Lego store.
Taekwondo, and he likes it. Preparing kasi nga, dito kami magki-Christmas party ng aking mga friends. Kain ka, Dad! Good morning, guys! The next day, and kanina, punta kami sa Las Piñas. Nakatulog na ako, pero nanood sila ng feng shui. Sabi ko kay Kel, ayun si Kel, I don't like to watch kasi matatakot ako. I'm trying this coffee, Old Town. Actually, natimpla ko na ta. Masarap naman. Worth it naman. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Saktong-sakto lang. Pero for 255 yata, tas 8 sticks, medyo mahal siya. Tas yung flavor is hazelnut. Tas nagluto din ako ng egg and hot dog, cherry tomato. Sarap nito. Matamis siya. Cake, yes? I think your school arranged it already. So, he's gonna be with you on day of your party. Christmas party. What are you eating?
Bananas with hot dog.
Hindi ang banana. Itlog yan.
More moments later.
Dahil nabuo na siya ni MJ, continue siya ni Kel. So, yan yung bonding nilang mag-ama. Pero dahil si MJ ay tulog pa, si Kel muna ang gagawa. Diba? Mas mahirap i-segregate. Kasi maliit hindi alam ni Tita Gia na it's very small eh.
More moments later.
Hey guys, update. So, kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog pero pumunta kami sa JM School. School ba tawag? GM.
Stands for like Grandmaster.
Grandmaster Education.
Yeah, that's,
sa may ano to?
That's what they use for chess tournaments.
Okay.
GM, Grandmaster.
Sa Lancaster Square to kasi gusto namin i-enroll si Kiel sa Taekwondo and he likes it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Noong una, sabi niya, Daddy, ayaw niya. Pero nung na-experience niya na, he likes it. Are you willing to go there every Sunday?
Yes.
Nice.
It's like exercise.
Yeah, that's your workout, right?
Also, you know the feet stamp?
Yeah?
You don't know how hard it was. It made my foot really numb.
Oh, really? So you have to...
I couldn't feel my legs up until this point.
Oh, so you have to practice, right?
Yeah,
even
but
at home.
Mom, even though I couldn't feel my leg, felt good since I couldn't feel them and no pain.
No pain. Siyempre, after namin, since it's Sunday, pupunta kami sa Wabi Zabi. Kakain ulit kami ng ramen. We're here at Save More. Malapit lang naman siya and nandun yung Wabi Zabi. May tapat lang siya ng Jollibee. Sa SM Supermarket, Wabi Zabi, meron ding biryani and daisuki. Dahil craving kami for ramen. Tignan nyo, tuwan-tuwa si Kel. Mas madami yung serving dito kaysa dun sa sa mall, no? Kaning salad. Hindi na ako California maki kasi may rice yun eh. Ito wala. Tapos tuna. Sarap. Konting sauce lang. Okay. What you're asking?
How about the noodles?
Japanese noodles.
Ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles.
Okay, you know the ingredients. Let's make it.
You wanna make it? Meron na palang dito. Tignan nyo. Sunod-sunod. Burger King, Chow King, and Jollibee. So, siguro by sa future.
Tapos may McDonald's dyan.
Saan McDonald's? Malapit lang din? Ayun, yung McDo. O, diba? Tapos may Dunkin dito, Greenwich, Tokyo. Galing, no? Dami na rin dito.
Food trip dito.
May Zumba.
Gusto ko ng Jollibee next.
Bumili din kami dito, biryani. Titikman lang din na. Finally home! Grabe, sarap umuwi dito sa bahay. Alam nyo ba? Di ba gawa na itong baba? Halos lagi na din kami nasa taas. Nababa lang kami dito kapag may bisita. Pumuna tayo. Siguro next year na yung TV dyan. Hi, Tammy! Billy!
More moments later.
Magbabala tayo ng mga Christmas gift. Yan, madami na to. Yung iba naka-paper bag kaya no need to balot na. Pero itong mga box, ayan. Balutin natin yan. Let's go. Help ako ni Mama Nining. Ma.
Hi.
Hey, Billy. Hi. Pa rin ako tapos, pero bukas na kasi ang sakit na ng likod ko.
I did the 1,000 curl up. I can't feel anything.
Tomorrow na lang ulit. Meron pa akong mga hindi nababalot na nandito.
Hey guys.
Thanks to this, because I'm the...
Wasn't there like 2 over here?
I saw you. Caught on cam. Tatry nila yung bike kung abot na ni Kel. Marunong siya mag-bike, pero mataas kasi to. Binabaan mo? baka semento. Hindi niya paabot, Dad. Ako nga, hindi ko abot yun. Ano? Sira ko eh.
The next day.
Hello guys, as you can see, I'm opening my piggy bank and my dad here, the snoring, who hasn't given me any baon because he doesn't want me to get that rich.
Mo pinupugutan ng ulo. Bakit yung mata nandito, Nakiel? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari sa mata?
Guys, don't spoil it. You guys can't see it yet.
Okay.
We're gonna do a part 2. After all the hard work that I've been doing to get this.
You know, we also put money inside.
Really?
Yeah. We help you. So, high five. Pino. Chining!
Do I dump it?
Slowly.
Yeah.
Because this might break. It's a glass.
Oh, that's a lot. Well, rich. I'm rich. You can do this.
The approximate of this money is that I'm rich.
Yeah, you're rich. As for your age.
For my age.
Yeah.
I'm richer than every kid at my age.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 20, 24.
24K?
Maybe 30,000.
24K to guys.
Ano, how many?
24K.
Ang dami ba?
Pwede ako magbili ng entire Lego store. Or at least lahat ng Lego.
A lot? Is it a lot?
And it's
So, Daddy's expecting like 15,000. Kiel's expecting like how many before we start?
At least 20,000, but it passed my limit.
Yeah.
It's actually...
Ako feeling ko mga 20 lang
And
eh.
it
Pero
all came
lagpas.
from this headless rabbit.
Alright, we're done. So, Kiel.
After hours of doing this, and
Hours?
Hours I mean minutes, we finally did it, and the total is 33,670 pesos, which is more than your average pay salary.
2 days later.
Good morning, guys. It's December 15.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen.
Kiel's gonna perform later with his classmates, right? And he's eating toge, tapos hot chocolate. And I'm preparing kasi nga, dito kami magki-Christmas party ng aking mga friends. Mamaya, mawawala yung mga kalat na yan. Tapos ito, ipapakyan ni Kiel mamaya kasi para sa mga guard. Siguro dito na lang kami magsa-set up ng table. Hindi ko na tatanggalin tong mga nakatambak dyan kasi nga wala naman kaming paglalagyan. Toka-toka din kami sa food. Ang niluto ko, dapat si MJ magluluto eh. Pero ako na lang. Ang niluto ko ay caldereta. Ito na yung mga ibibigay namin. Ano lang naman siya, pang Noche Buena. Ang alam naming magagamit din talaga. Kasi ito din yung ginagamit namin talaga or kinakain. So, ayan. At least kahit pa paano makatulong tayo, diba? Update! So, nakabihis na ako. Ang theme namin, blue and white. So, saktong-sakto tong suot ko. Tapos, antayin ko na lang sila kasi ready na ako. Sa MJ, wala, epetics. Maliligo pa lang siya. Ayan si Kel. Hindi naman siya kasali. Kailangan niya magpahinga kasi mamaya meron siya. Anong tawag doon? Parade. Tapos magsasayaw sila. Kaya he needs to rest. Yes, ready na! Inayos pala namin. Pause muna natin. Okay, ready na kami. Patay yung ilaw. Pero, inayos namin yung curtain kagabi. Ini-steam ko siya gamit yung Dear Me. Galing, effective. Ganda, oh. Tapos nilagyan namin ng mesh. Natupi talaga siya. Ang galing. Kasi pag plancha, yung regular, mahirap. Tapos, scented candle. Syempre, para mabango-bango naman. Christmas tree. And ito, bili ni Dayan. Dito niya na pinadeliver. Pero kapitbahay lang naman namin siya, malapit lang. Pistachio! Ooh. Ay, hindi. Choco pala. Chocolate. Niready ko na lang din yung spoon and fork, cups. Tapos ito yung table. Lalagyan na lang namin ng tapete. And yun. Tingin ko na lang sila. Tapos mag-exchange kami. Nandun yung regalo ko eh. Mamaya ko na lang kukunin. Daming food! Saya, no?
moments later.
Successful ang party namin. Ang saya. Tapos, after nun, kita niyo si Kel. Naka-costume na siya kasi magpa-parade sila. Go! Go, 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 go!
Kabutanya Festival.
Hello, Mushroom. Kung makita nyo may pink siya kasi kailangan may blush on para pare-pareho sila ng design or ng makeup.
Grade 4, we're ready for you to show us the heart of Kabutanya Festival. Let's go!
May ano din pala